Commissary in federal prison is a store or retail operation that provides inmates with essential items and luxury goods. The commissary is an important part of prison life as it allows inmates to purchase items that are not provided by the prison. To use the commissary, inmates must have money in their trust fund account, which is typically funded by family and friends. Inmates can then use this money to purchase items from the commissary, which can include food, snacks, personal care items, and clothing. The commissary operates on a weekly or bi-weekly schedule, and inmates are usually allowed to spend a certain amount of money per week. The items available for purchase vary by prison, but common items include snacks such as chips and candy, personal care items such as toothpaste and shampoo, and clothing items such as t-shirts and socks. Inmates can also use the commissary to purchase stamps and writing supplies, which are essential for staying in touch with family and friends. The commissary is also a way for inmates to purchase items that can help them stay healthy and comfortable while incarcerated, such as over-the-counter medications and warm clothing. It is worth noting that the commissary is not just a convenience for inmates but also a way for the prison to generate revenue. The prices of items in the commissary are often higher than what you would pay on the outside, and this can make it difficult for inmates to afford the items they need. Overall, the commissary plays a critical role in the daily lives of federal prison inmates, providing them with access to essential items and luxury goods. By understanding how the commissary works, inmates and their families can better navigate the prison system and make the most of the resources available to them. Inmates should be aware of the commissary rules and regulations and plan their purchases carefully. To make the most of their limited budget, they should also be aware of the prices of items and try to make smart purchasing decisions to get the most value for their money. By following these best practices, inmates can use the commissary to improve their quality of life while incarcerated and make their time in prison more comfortable and manageable.